Hi guys, today I received this ceiling fan with lights for reviewing purposes. It comes really well protected with lots of foam. It has in here the installation manual. This is a light fixture. This is the main unit. Okay, it has 6 speeds. Here we have for the fan blades, and in here we got the proper fan blades. Let me take it out. As you can see, they are reversible. Okay, so they have 2 colors, which I think it's really, really nice. It's for the canopy. Okay, and in here we got the controller and receiver. Okay, and in here is also all the screws to mount it and everything. Okay, so let's go ahead and start installing it, and let's see how it works. Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. I think it looks really beautiful. I placed the wooden light design facing down, which I think it looks better. And what it's nice is that you have 3 different ways of controlling your ceiling fan. First is the proper remote, also the application. As you can see, I can turn it on the lamp, select the brightness, the temperature, the fan. I can turn it off. We'll turn it off also the lights. Turn it on, select the speed, direction if I wanted to go forward or reverse. I'll leave it on reverse, and you can program it with this slide bar to up to 8 hours, which I think it's really, really nice. But you also have the third option, which I think it's really, really nice, and it's using your Amazon Alexa. You can control it with it without using the controller or the cell phone, just with the voice. As you can see, I've already paired it, so let's test it. Alexa, turn on fan.
Muy bien.
As you can see, it turned it on. Alexa, turn on light.
Muy bien.
As you can see, which I think it's really, really nice, very convenient to use it if you have, well, if you are carrying something or you are busy and you don't wanna, and you just wanna use it with your voice. I think that's a nice option, and overall, I think it's a really, really nice ceiling fan, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.